Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to apply different styles to the HTML table using a CSS file. So we already have learned how to create a table in HTML. So this is the table that I have already created, and I also have saved a document with the name called table.html. So this is the table that I have already created. The name of the table is student. We have two columns, roll number and marks, and these are the different values for the table. Now let us start to apply different styles to the table using CSS. So firstly, since there is no border for the table, let us learn how to apply borders for the table. Now to use CSS inside the HTML document, we know that we take help of a tag called style. So this style tag is a container tag, so I have closed it also. So now let us begin. So now I want to set the border for the entire table. So I will write down the name of the tag for which I want to apply the border. I want the border to be applied for the table, so I'm writing table. Now the attribute to apply the border is border style. What type of borders I want, solid or I want dotted, that we have to mention. So I am writing solid because I want the borders to be in solid. I will save it and let us run and see. Now see, this is the border because I wrote only table. So the borders are applied for the only table, not for the cells. If I want it to be displayed for the entire cells, then along with table, I also have to include the th and the td tags. The borders are displayed. Now as we can notice, there is a small space between the different cells. So this cell spacing can be increased or can be decreased. That we will do it by taking help of an attribute called cell spacing. So first let us give it to be 0 pixels, and we see there is no border now because the value is set to be 0. If I want to increase, I can do it. It's just I need to increase the value of the pixel. Save, run, and the borders are, the spacing are increased between the borders of the cells. Next, if I want to apply colors for the table, what do I do? Take help of another attribute called border color, and suppose red. Now remember, this border color red is set for table also, th also, and td also. So because three tags are included, for the entire table the borders will be colored to red. Now if I want to set different colors for the different tags, for the table tag I want red, for headers I want green, and for the normal values I want yellow. So that we cannot do it by changing the colors here at this point. Why? Because for this border color, the three tags are included. So whatever change I make it here, this will be applied to table also, th also, and td also. So what I do is I remove border color from this point and I write it separately. For the table tag, I will write border color and I want to set it to red. Next, for th, I want to set the border color to green. And lastly, for tds, I want the border color to be yellow. We will save it and run and see. The colors are changed. So this is how we can apply different attributes along with the table tag using a CSS file to make changes to the table.